Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant direct message notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you're using the web version on your PC, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn them off after the latest update. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, Messages, and Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications. When you're inside the Notifications section, look to the top right corner and click on Settings. This is where you can manage exactly what types of notifications you receive and how they're delivered. Now select Preferences. Under Preferences, you'll find several notification categories, and one of them is Push Notifications. Click on Push Notifications to open those options. Here, you'll see a detailed list of different types of notifications you can receive. Scroll down until you find a section called Related to You and Your Posts. This section controls all the alerts you get when someone interacts with your profile or content. Beneath it, you'll notice an option labeled Direct Messages. To stop receiving direct message notifications, simply uncheck the box next to Direct Messages. Once you do that, X will stop sending you notifications whenever you get a new message. You'll still be able to see your messages anytime by opening your inbox, but your feed and your desktop notifications will stay quiet. That's it. You've successfully turned off direct message notifications on X Web for PC. This small change can make a big difference if you prefer to keep distractions to a minimum or check your messages on your own schedule. If this video helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who might also find it useful. Thanks for watching.